We're here in McHenry at Fawn Ridge Apartments. Today we will be stabilizing areas of the concrete floor that's inside this property's clubhouse. Luckily, a current renovation that's currently taking place revealed voids that could have otherwise become big problems for this facility. Let's go take a look inside. Now we're going to drill through the slab to create injection points for our material. As we drill the floor, we will be able to map the location and depth of the void. Now it's time to inject our material. Since we do not need to raise the slab, we're using a special foam designed specifically for stabilization. With an extremely slow expansion rate, this material will slowly spread into voids and harden without providing lift. Now that the voids have been taken care of, all we need to do is remove the injection ports and patch the holes with cement.